Welcome back to the channel. Now to it look, the acting DPP has asked the former DPP for some help in securing a retrial against Vybz Kartel and the other co-appellants, because the acting DPP is now saying if the phone evidence where they need plan for use is not admissible, well, they might rely upon the main witness testimony. They also say in a turn of events, many of the witnesses are available for a retrial. Now we never did hear this. And I think most people never hear because, as the acting DPP said, another prosecutor was the one who made that submission. Now, you believe, say, them really can't find back the witnesses? All of them? Them say so? Them say them can't find them back? The same witness will give more than one story. Now keep in mind, even if it is true that the witnesses, many of them, are available for a retrial, what did them have the island? But them still have them will come. Will the court then know? And when we say court, we mean taxpayer money. Will it be used to facilitate these individuals return to the island, their stay while they are here, plus accommodations? Because them have to go, all accommodations have to go deal with. Taxpayer money again. I was still not here when them plan to pay back for the Privy Council trial or the Privy Council appeal. And when the judge, Justice McDonald Bishop, asked, what will be the cost for all of this? How much money the state got to take from the taxpayer money to pay for all of this? Prosecution said no. No, one of the statements the people never liked was the fact that the prosecution said the state does have to foot the bill. Now some people ask that question. That's a very valid question. If when the appeal, the local appeal, we did not talk the Privy Council, we are talking the local appeal. If when the case is appealed there, or the same appeal court where the case is now, the 3-judge tribunal that was looking over the case then said them choose to uphold the conviction based on the phone evidence. It is said that the evidence that got Vybz Kartel convicted in the initial trial was also the phone evidence. Now, if that evidence is removed, because them say even if the scenario is them can't get to use the phone evidence at all, them say they rely upon the witness. Now, was the witness credible? And if so, why was the phone evidence used when the way the information was gathered from the phone was already sketchy to begin with? That's why I don't feel like it can use again. Because after digital forensic experts looked into that particular piece of evidence, the way the state them retrieve the evidence, these experts are saying that's impossible. They couldn't do it that way. So now they must say, let's say the phone can't use. Why they must say the phone can't use? Because of what? It's phone. And keep in mind, if you're going to talk about phone evidence, they also pointed out that Sean Stam's phone put him at a different location from where the witness said the alleged crime took place. The alleged crime by the witness is said to have taken place in St. Andrew. Sean Stam's phone put him in a St. Catherine. They can't be in two places at once. Witness the phone calls were made, and then them decide to travel. So Sean Stam made have him phone. I don't know. These are the same witness for them as them plan to rely upon. Now, if the witness statement is not credible or deemed not credible, that with circumstantial evidence, is that enough to go forward? Are they just relying on paperwork from the initial trial, which was done by the then prosecutor, the then DPP? I want to know if this acting DPP was a farm of that team, was a part of that team. I remember, even while Vybz Kartel's case was taking place, you'd have other case that take place at court. The Department of Public Prosecution is one department with many lawyers working for the office. So when if this particular prosecutor, who is now the acting DPP, was a part of the Vybz Kartel case any at all, which would mean that she really know other than what she has to on paper. And some would say it seems like Isaac Buchanan and his team are fully prepared to handle this team of prosecutors who are seeking a retrial. Based on how I see it, the judge point out errors on both parts, both the defense and the prosecution. When the defense say reasons why them feel that there shouldn't be a retrial, a couple of those reasons, the judge shoot them down right away. Pointing out, say, that not sound logical, that not sound this and that not sound that. The same thing for the prosecution. If them try fly too close to the sun with some outrageous claims, the judge has shot them down. And all a little fancy talk that attorneys will use and say when there's a jury there. Judges have pointed out that there is no jury there. Just lawyers and judges. And there is no time for that. Nobody waste the court time with that. So some of the things that we hear the prosecution say, just like the state does have to foot the bill. I say, yo, why them would have said that? I think them think it true. They must have present the submissions. They must have, so they must say, hoping to get a retrial. Some people say they even believe that them either believes them as a retrial. I even really want one. Some would say this was probably the ambitions of the former DPP. And this DPP probably have focused on other cases. Also pointed out that the prosecution. And if what is normally said about attorneys, that the more them get wins on high profile cases, whether the prosecution or the defense team, from it's a high profile case, they get a win, it helps to boost up your career. And you have whole heap of other high profile cases before the court now, where the office of the DPP will be prosecuted. They may already reach a stage there. So if a high profile cases, they are already wholly. So I'm not taking on one of the longest trials in Jamaican judicial history. That's something they probably want. Some people believe it's just a technicality. The fact that the Privy Council said that along with the money to be repaid, the case was to be sent back to the appeal court for them decide on whether or not there should be a retrial. How that decision was to be made was just how you see it play out now. Defense say what them say, and prosecution say what them say, and then the appeal court decide. So this is just that technicality taking place, that formality. So it's not necessarily we can say, yo, this team of prosecutors are from the DPP or the new acting DPP want a retrial. There's no way to know that. Her job is to do what you say her do. So you can't really know. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And if you're new to the channel, let's pass through. Click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share, and tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. The comment section open 24/7. It never lacking. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. Or we can continue reasoning via the comment section. Now until the reason again, of course, my sentiments for you and yours. I want to live, love, and prosper, and want to stay tuned. Now a quick recap. Some believe the acting DPP will now be relying on the evidence and the documents and the files gathered by the former DPP while trying to secure a retrial against Vybz Kartel and the other co-appellants. Until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, if you want to live, love and prosper, and if you want to stay tuned.